Hello, my name is Rudra Sarkar. Thank you so much giving me the opportunity to introduce myself through this video resume. I believe that every individual it is a constant learner, and I am someone who is always eager to learn, improve, and make a positive impact both professionally and society. I am originally from Shodibari, Rangpur. I completed my secondary school certificate from Shodibari ML High School with GPA 5 out of 5. After that, I completed my higher school certificate from Holy Land College, Dinajpur, where I achieved a GPA 5. I am currently passing a bachelor degree in textile engineering at Daffodil International University. Over the year, I have developed various professional skills, including project management, data analysis, communication, team celebration, etc. Along that, I have particle exclusive working with modern tools and software which allow me the apologize problem in a structured and efficient manner. Beside academic and personal development, I always try to inner myself in co-curricular activities. I am proud to share that I am a district level football player. Beginning part A, completing a sport team has helped me develop a strong teamwork, discipline, team management, etc. Alongside football, I have also worked as a scam which not only through me survive and learn leadership skill, but also share my mission to be responsibility, honest, and helpful and others. Moreover, I actively individual in different socially welfare activities, which have developed my employment and leadership quality, will allow to me contribute possible and society. I strongly believe that positivity, dedication, and adaptability are key quality from both person and personal success. I love working in team environment, learning from others, and at the same time contributing my best to help the team and the original growth. My alternative goal is to work in an original where I can implement my skill, contribute to the team success, and continuously develop myself, both the personal and personal activities. Thank you for your valuable time and watching my video resume. Have a great day.